accounting. This is a kind of very funny thing. Okay, let's read it. This is from the Wall Street Journal. Okay, it said, what's the definition of accountant? So, anybody you want to guess what's the definition of accountant? How many of you are accountant here? Probably not. Anyone? Or not really CPA? How many of you your job is accounting job? No? Most of you are from high tech. Is that right? Or business? Anyone of you running your business? Small business? No? Alright. So accountant is the people, let's take here, right? This is kind of joke. It's someone who solve your problem. However, didn't know you had in a way you don't understand. Maybe true. How many of you never file your own tax? You always have your CPA. One. Let me up the other way. How many of you file your own tax? You use TurboTax. Okay. So probably majority you file your tax by TurboTax or another software. All right. So if you run your own tax, let's see the reason why. Okay. Let me show you another slide. Okay. What's the relationship, okay, the connection between this class and taxation? Here it is. From my last semester, some of you took my taxation last semester. And this is one section when we talk about corporation tax. For individual, nobody cares. If you file your own 1040, you don't see this. But if you were running your own business, you file 1120. 1120 is the tax for corporation. Okay? On the page 5, on the very last page, you see here. Because I did not mention this in my taxation class, I saved this right now. Okay. On the very last page of corporation tax return, the very last page, here it is. Schedule L asks the balance sheet of this corporation. And the bottom here, show another one. Schedule M1, that is reconciliation of income statement. And that is one of our purpose for this class. Hopefully, after we finish this class, at least you know how to prepare balance sheet and income statement. Okay. Throughout this 6 weeks course, we will talk about balance sheet, we will talk about income statement, and probably we're gonna touch a little bit about another two. One is called equity statement, or somebody says ownership statement, and the last one is cash flow. But if we don't have too much time to cover the number 3, number 4, at least we will cover number 1, balance sheet. Here it is, the top. Okay. Anybody you sitting here, you ever read balance sheet? You ever look at a balance sheet from any other business? So we have 2. Any other? So what's balance sheet about?
Kind of like a snapshot in time of a current position.
What kind of information you can find on balance sheet for this business? What kind of information?
You can find, the total amount of assets,
okay,
with the current assets, liabilities,
okay,
equity.
Okay. This is the equation. Okay. When we talk about the balance sheet, for those of you, majority of this class, assuming you never look at any balance sheet before, at least this is the equation. When people talk about balance sheet, they mean assets, liability, and the equity. And this is equation. Assets, the total number under the assets must be equal to the number of liability plus equity. So can you tell us what's equity? What's equity? Equity mean what?
Equity maybe like